I got it. I finally got it. I got the Rubik's Cube. And today, I'm playing with this. I'm going to show you some patterns. If you have a fully solved one, zoom in. If you have a fully solved one, here's something you can do. And so we could just do that and that. Put two of them on the side and look. It's like a color pattern. So if you want to know how to do that, watch at the end of the video. And here we start. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Hey guys, it's Abe here making another video using Rubik's Cubes. So here we go, and we're gonna start this. So before we start this video, I want to give a big shout out to my subscribers. And yes, thank you. So I guess there's nothing to do but start. Okay, so here's the first trick. You put this right here, this right here. So then you have like a pattern, and you go like oof, oof, oof. If you don't like that pattern, you can make other ones, and then you can just put it back to normal. And yes, I did solve this on a website because I already opened it. So let me show you the website. Please wait on hold. Okay guys, it's fine. Can't turn the video off right now. So here we go. Turn my iPad on. I ran. So I'm gonna take you to the thing. And yes, it's the best website ever. So I just search up on Google. I search up Rubik's Cube Solver. Then I go to Rubik's Cube Solver Rubik's. Shout out, because this is how I made this. And it's really easy. It can go to up to 100 steps. To make it really easy, it's like, yeah, that's like, do this. And it's super easy because, as you see here, you get to color in it to see what your Rubik's Cube looks like, and you can change it. Could go up and down. So yeah. Here we go. So this is it. It's called Rubix.com, whatever. So yeah, you could do that. Just make my Rubik's Cube. I could just do that. So let me just get a yellow. You could just press on it easily. Then just press solve. But obviously, I didn't use enough of each. So when you don't use enough of each, it says coloring issues. And then it says that. So yeah, that's a good heads up if you're going to use it. So yes, you should get a warning about that because that is not fair. So let me just put my laptop on. Turn it off. Okay, here we go. Yeah. I'm grabbing my Rubik's Cube, and look at this. So then I could just do this, and this, and then this, and boom. It's all solved. Do 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 do. Alright guys, channel's named Abe Zhao, okay? But I'm gonna change it today, okay? So yeah, it's going to be, watch it. After this video, well, if you're watching me right now, after I changed my name, I used to be Abe Zhao. But now, I'm going to change into a mystery name. So we'll just find out. If you're watching this right now, who knows? Because I'm going to change it right after the video. So yeah, I have some cucumbers. Just chillax. You want one? Okay. I took your cucumber. So yeah, guys. I hope this video helped you. And please use Rubik's. Bye. Oh yeah. Thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is done. And bye. Subscribe.